Guys, I'm holding a remote key for a Raptor. Tinatawag din to na key fob. Ano ba yung key fob? Key fob is a small hardware device that can be programmed to control access to a physical space. Like ito po, it is programmed to this vehicle only, and then when you press it, yun nga, sasara yung pinto, the door will close and open. And everything, if it's not inside the car, hindi po mag-start. Bakit ko po ginagawa to? Kasi meron siyang ibang function, like for example, there is a keyhole here, no? Which is you have to press this one, ganyan, para po lumabas yung susi. I will do it, ipopause ko lang, wait. Yung isang function niya, as I mentioned, you have to press this one po, so you can get the key. Just in case bigla pong na-dead yung battery, hindi nyo mabuksan yung door using the key fob, you can use this one, insert it po dun sa keyhole, and then the door will open na po. Yan, yun lang po isang, kasi may nagtanong din the other day sa akin. Hindi naman siya frequently asked question, pero yun, paano raw, asan daw yung susi? So ito yun nga, gumawa ako nito para makita niya. Yun lang po. Thank you.